to be an expression of your unfolding peace. Spirit, show through me as I open up to be an expression of your unfolding love.
And Spirit does flows through each one of us here and those joining us from elsewhere. We are one together as we come into this community today in wisdom and peace and love. There is no place where this presence is not recognized, and it is through that presence that all things are possible. It is with infinite divine blessing that I welcome each person here, and each person that we will meet once we leave, and will be able to bestow the blessings of Spirit upon them as we walk through the world together. It is done. It is as I believe, and it is done right now in this moment with perfect peace. Grateful for all that is divinely unfolding, grateful for each one of us. I anchor this idea in the unfoldment of all that is perfect by saying, and so it is.